What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.048, up about 0.04 on the day. Sitting market cap of 335 million, 24-hour volume sitting about 252 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit or Bitkit, sign up, grab those bonuses, check out my full-length tutorials. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. So let's hop into the charts for Gala Games. Couple of scenarios for Gala. Either we've completed a wave B, and basically you've come down in a 1, 2, and you'd be looking to come down in a 3, 4, 5 of the wave C. Or we see the impulse to the upside. My bias is that this is a wave B correction. But if we were to break the high, then you'd be looking at a wave 1 up, and I would look at an A, B, C, D, E corrective triangle. If you break out of this triangle to the upside, then you could push up in a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. The impulsive wave 5 target could take you all the way up to 0.075. I think it's less likely, but it is possible. I mean, this definitely looks like it could be a 1, 2, 3, and this was a 4 and pushing up in a 5. We have strong bearish divergences, but if we were to push up to that wave 5 target, I do think these divergences would continue to print. It all depends on BTC. Sorry, excuse me, bless you, thank you, you're welcome. It all depends if BTC can break 25K or if we get rejected. If we see a strong rejection then and we break down from this triangle, then you can look at us coming down in our wave C. So basically you came down in wave 1, 2, you'd come down in 3, 4, 5 to complete the pullback for Gala, where I would look to load the bags. But if BTC were to see a strong bounce to the upside, break 25K, head for 26K, and some really strong buying pressure came in for Gala, then you could see an impulse. I think it's a little bit less likely that we break that high and push up to 0.075. I think Bitcoin would have to push up to at least 27, 28. And I don't think Bitcoin's going to push that high. Maybe 26 if we break 25, but we'll have to see how that plays out. All right, gang. So basically watch this symmetrical triangle, wait for it to break, and you'll have a stronger idea of which direction we're going to go. So make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges, grab those bonuses, email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news, member profits. They post their gains in here, all to all plays, all for 10 USD per month. Sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.